Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. However, I'm not entirely sure about this one. So I utilised the usual geometric and observational methods combined with the good speed and creating the feedback loop. The feedback loop is the most important part because this is where you get the effective and efficient learning methods and how you can progress very quickly and get the results that you want much quicker. So the first one, this is the closest one to the original reference photo. As you can see, it's quite a close-up of the girl's face, slight bit of her neck and slight bit of her hair, which was just framing her face. The second one, the eyes are slightly too wide and the nose is slightly too long. However, the face shape was captured, so I was quite happy at that, along with the eyebrows. And the third one was just slightly too squashed in the head shape. Mouth was slightly too wide for the proportion of the rest of the features and the head shape. So yeah, and it's also slightly angular and also quite harsh looking. I don't know if it's because I tried a different pencil. I'm not entirely sure. What do you think? Let me know what you think and get back to me. Also check out the rest of the channel, see how much I've progressed in just a month, and you will see that this learning method does work. Thanks guys.